we are at page 60, question 17 of section C. If A equals to x such that 1 less than x less than 3 and B equals to x such that half less than equal to x less than 2, find A union B and A intersection B. Now, first of all, number line, which is the lowest number out of the 4? Half, then 1, then 2, then 3. Do you all remember this?
Yes.
Now, A is from 1 to 3. B is from half to 2. First, you are asked to find A union B. So, in the number line, you can see A union B will be from half to 3, everything. Write on x such that half less than x less than 3. Okay, A union B will be from half to 3 entirely. Now we have to decide should equal to be included or not. When will we include anything in A union B? When it is there in A or B or both. Even if it is there in any one, it will be included. Half, is it there in A?
No.
No, it starts from 1. Is it there in B?
Yes.
Equal to is there means it's there. If it's there in B, it will be there in union. Understood that? Now 3. Is it there in A? Equal to is not there means it's not there. Is it there in B?
No.
It's only up till 2, so it will not be included. It's neither in A nor in B. Understood this? Now A intersection B. See the number line. Can I say this part is A intersection B common in both? That is x such that 1 less than x less than 2. 1 to 2 is common in A and B. Did you understand it, everyone? Now, when will we include anything in intersection? When it is there in A and B both. 1, is it there in A?
No.
So it will not be included. 2, is it there in A? Yes. B?
No.
It's not there in B, so it will not be included. It should be there in both. Did everyone understand this? Question 18. The probability of occurrence of unlike at least one of the two events A and B is 1 by 4. Where did we see the word at least? Law of addition. Mark it as A union B. Okay, P of A union B is 1 by 4. Any confusions? See that you revise the summary properly. Which words indicate what? Entire chapter is dependent on those words only, which I made you write in bracket of each and every rule. And you'll find every question you'll be able to identify those words. The probability that event A occurs, and then A occurs, mark it as A above that, and then but mark it as intersection, and then B does not occur, B dash, B not. So what is 1 by 5? A intersection B not. And we have seen that in the difference events definition also. The heading which I made you write for first diagram was A occurs but B does not occur, and the second was B occurs but A does not occur. Now find the probability of event B. Now write down P of A union B is given as 1 by 4. P of A intersection B not is given as 1 by 5. First of all, tell me, what is A intersection B not's formula? P of A minus P of A intersection B, that is 1 by 5. Now what are we asked to find? P of B. Applying the formula of A union B, we'll get it. Did everyone write up till here? Now write down P A union B is equal to P A plus P B minus P A intersection B. Now, what is A union B on the left side given? On the right side, instead of presenting in this manner, if I present TA then minus PA intersection B, and then I write plus B. Does it make any difference? Okay, I've written PA, then I've written minus PA intersection B, then I've written plus PB. Does it make any difference? Now, what is this? A minus A intersection B, 1 by 5. So can we get PB or not? So 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 5 plus PB. Any doubts with this? All are clear with this? Okay, this portion is 1 by 5. Now bring 1 by 5 on the left side, it will become minus. So PB, LCM is 20. 5 into 4, 5 into 1, 5, cross multiply. 4 into 1, 4, 1 by 20. Anyone who did not understand this, everything you have to repeat in the homework. Okay, until you repeat it again, you will not be able to solve in exams. By the way, yesterday when I told you to repeat all questions up to section C, question 16, honestly tell me, how many of you could solve them without referring the solution again? All the questions without referring the solution again. Only one person? Everyone else had to refer it? And tell me honestly, how many of you copied it entirely? Okay. In case you had to refer the solutions, then on your own, it's not compulsory. Those questions which you have to do by looking at the solution, try them again by tomorrow itself. Yesterday, if there were 20 questions in homework and there were 4 such questions for which you had to see the solution, then those 4 questions you again try it in the homework tomorrow. I'm not giving it compulsory, but you try it and tell it to me in the class tomorrow that you have tried these questions again. Okay, not compulsory, but try them, otherwise you'll not be able to do in exams. Yes, now look at 19th question. If PB equals to 3 by 5, joke will be there in exams. Directly board people will do a biggest joke with you. And yes, and then everyone, parents, relatives, everyone will be laughing like this only on you. So joke will be directly in the month of March, not right now. Yes, be attentive. If PB equals to 3 by 5, P of A naught intersection B equals to 1 by 2. For 2 events A and B, then find PA slash B. What is the formula of A slash B? A intersection B upon B. B is there, but we have to find A intersection B. That we'll find by this formula. What is the formula of A naught intersection B? P of A naught intersection B is PB minus PA intersection B equals to 1 by 2. PB is given as 3 by 5 minus PA intersection B equals to 1 by 2. Now bring 1 by 2 on the left side, it will become minus. And minus A intersection B on the right side will become plus. So what will be PA intersection B? 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2, the LCM is 10. 5 into 2. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 5 into 1, 5. So 1 by 10. Now we can find that B, A slash B. Therefore, P of A slash B is equal to P of A intersection B upon PB. A intersection B 1 by 10 upon PB is 3 by 5. So 1 by 10 into reciprocal 5 by 3. 5 into 2 is 10, so 1 by 6. 2 into 3, 6. Did everyone understand this? Next. Question 20. Six persons have passport in a group of 10 persons. 6 passports. 4 don't have the passports. Total 10. Now, if 3 persons are randomly selected from this group, 3 selected from 10. How will we find n?
10C3.
It will 10C3. Now shortcut I told you 10C3. It's 10 into 9 into 8. Until 3 numbers you open it. And denominator directly 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 3 is 9, 2 into 4 is 8, 10 into 12 is 120. Is everyone clear with it? Now, find the probability that first, all the 3 persons have a passport. We'll define it as event A. Let event A be the event that all the 3 persons have passport. Now, how will we find M of event A? All the 3 have passports. 6C3 into 4C0. All the 3 have passports means 6C3 and there is no one without the passports, so 4C0. 6C3, 6 into 5 into 4 upon 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2, 6 gets cancelled, so 20. 5 into 4 is 20. Now P of A, M of A upon N, 20 upon 120, 1 by 6. Okay, so first answer is done. Is every one of you clear with this question? Now, second question what is asked. Who are still doing the first one? 2 persons among them do not have a passport. And let event be the event that 2 persons don't have passport. How many are selected? 3. So if 2 do not have passport, then 1 has passport. Mention that also. 3 people are selected. So if they say 2 do not have passport means 1 has the passport. So how would you find M of event B? 1 has the passport, 6C1 and means multiplication. 2 do not have the passport, 4C2. Anyone who did not understand this? And that is the reason I have shown here 4C0 also. So that you don't get confused. All are clear with this? 6C1 is 6. 4C2 is also 6. So 36. P of B equals to MB upon N. 36 by 120, 12 into 3, 12 into 10. 3 by 10. All are clear with this question? Shall I proceed further? Completed? Shall I proceed further? Everyone has completed? Okay, question 21 be attended. Yes, be attended. The probability that the tax limit for income of males increases in the budget of a year is 0.6. Underline males and mark it as A. And the probability that the tax limit increases for income of underline females and mark it as B. So PA 0.66, PB 0.72. The probability that the tax limit increases for income of both the underline males mark it as A underline and mark it as intersection underline females mark it as B. What is this? 0.47? A intersection B. Now find the probability that first the tax limit increases for income of underline only one of the 2. Raise your hand. We have seen it in the notes. After simple probability rule 1, last note I made you write. it increases for only one of the two. Valerie?
PA union B minus P A intersection B.
Very good, correct. Take out in the summary rule 1, simple probability. Take out the summary, rule 1, simple probability. Last note. Did you take it out? Can you see? Only one of the two event occurs, A union B minus A intersection B. Okay, write on there in the textbook. Only one of the two is A union B minus A intersection B. Second, the tax limit does not increase, and then does not increase for income of males as well as females. Raise your hand. What do we require here? Does not increase for males as well as females. Shiva? A union B whole not. Okay, or else you can see does not increase for males A not, and does not increase for females B not. What is A not? Intersection B not. A union B whole not. So simply write down over that A union B whole not. For both the answers, first do we need A union B or not? First we'll find that, then we'll answer both the questions. Are you all clear with this? So write down. Let event A be the event that tax limit increases for males. Let event B be the event that tax limit increases for females. Now PA is directly given 0.66. PB directly given 0.72, and PA intersection B directly given 0.47. Now first answer. First we have to find, for both the questions, first we have to find A union B. Now PA union B is equal to PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. PA 0.66 plus PB 0.72 minus PA intersection B 0.47, 0.91. All up clear up till here? Anyone still writing up till here? Raise your hand. Now first answer, the probability that the tax limit increases for only one of the two is equal to PA union B minus PA intersection B. So 0.91 we obtained A union B, and A intersection B, you'll minus, it is directly given as 0.47. So 0.44. All of you are clear with this? Raise your hand, who is still writing it? Now below that, the probability that, Vrunda, are you still writing it? Completed? Sure. The probability that the tax limit does not increase for both is equal to PA union B whole not. is equal to 1 minus B A union B is equal to 1 minus A union B. We obtained 0.91. So 0.09. Did anyone understand this question? Shall I erase it? Anyone still solving that 21? Okay, now look at question 22. We have done the price of unleaded petrol market as A rises in 80% of the cases. So PA equals to 80% means 0.8. And the price of unleaded diesel market as B rises in 77% cases after the rise in price of crude oil. So PB is 0.77. The price of unleaded petrol market as A, unleaded and market as intersection, unleaded diesel market as B, rises in 68% cases. So P of A intersection B is 0.68. Now find the probability that the price of unleaded diesel, what is that? B, rises under the unleaded condition that slash there is a rise in the price of unleaded petrol A. What is asked? B slash A. Direct formula is to be applied. Everything is directly given. Define the events, apply the formula. Okay. Let event A be the event that the price of petrol rises. Let event B be the event that the price of diesel rises. Okay, now PA equals to 80%, so 80 by 100 0.8. PB equals to 77%, so 77 by 100 0.77. And PA intersection B equals to 68%, so 68 by 100 0.68. Now directly we have to apply the formula. So, did everyone write up till here? Anyone still writing up till here? Thus the probability that the price of diesel rises under the condition that price of petrol rises okay, that is equal to P of B slash A. So P of A intersection B upon P of A, 0.68 upon 0.8.
0.85.
Is it coming in 2 decimals? Exact. 0.85.
5.
Are you all clear with this? Now, last question of section C, question 23. As per the prediction of Weather Bureau, the probabilities for rain on 3 days, Thursday market as A, Friday market as B, Saturday market as C, in the next week are 0.8, 0.7, 0.6 respectively. PA is 0.8, PB is 0.7, PC is 0.6. Find the probability that it rains on at least one of the 3 days, at least union, that on A union, B union, C. Now tell me, is it possible that it rains on Thursday and Friday also? Yes. Thursday and Saturday? Yes. Friday and Saturday? Yes. Thursday, Friday, Saturday? Yes. Means the events are not mutually exclusive. Intersection is possible. Now, will the rain on Thursday depend on Friday or Friday depend on Thursday? No. So they are independent events. So how would you find A intersection B? Independent events. PA into PB. Then B intersection C. B into C. A intersection C. A into C and A intersection B intersection C. A into B into C. We'll find all this first and then at least that lengthy formula. A union B union C. PA plus PB plus PC. Minus A intersection B minus B intersection C minus A intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. But first we'll find all the intersections. Did you all understand this? So let event A be the event that it rains on Thursday and let event B be the event that it rains on Friday. Also let event C be the event that it rains on Saturday. Is everyone clear with this? Now PA is given directly as 0.8. PB is given directly as 0.7 and PC 0.6. So as I said, first we'll find all the intersections. Let PA intersection B is equal to PA into PB 0.8 into 0.7 0.56. P of B intersection C PB into PC 0.7 into 0.6 0.42. P of A intersection C PA into PC 0.8 into 0.6 0.48. And P of A intersection B intersection C PA into PB into PC 0.8 into 0.7 into 0.6 0.336. Is everyone clear with this? Because all the events are independent. Complete fast. Completed. Who are still writing up till this?
Tisha.
Completed. Completed. Anyone else still writing it? Now we'll answer the question. Thus the probability that it rains on at least one of the 3 days is equal to PA union B union C is equal to PA plus PB plus PC minus PA intersection B minus PB intersection C minus PA intersection C plus PA intersection B intersection C. Okay, so PA 0.8 plus PB 0.7 plus PC 0.6 minus A intersection B 0.56 minus B intersection C 0.42 minus A intersection C 0.48 plus A intersection B intersection C 0.336
0.976.
0.976. Did everyone understand this? Now, section D. Look Look at the first question. We had done this in exercise 1.3 earlier, 1.4. We had done it. 6 LED televisions and 4 LCD televisions are displayed in digital store A. And on digital store A, 6 LED and 4 LCD, total 10. Further, whereas 5 LED televisions and 3 LCD televisions are displayed in digital store B. So digital store B, 5 LED, 3 LCD, total 8. Now, one of the two stores is randomly selected. How many stores are there? 2. A and B. What is the probability of selecting the store? Not television, selecting the store. What is the probability that you select store A or store B? 1 by 2. See here, there are 2 stores. So sample space A and B. Now what is the probability that you select store A?
0.5.
1 by 2. 1 out of 2. Same way, what is the probability that you select store B? Understood this? So first we select a store. And then one television is selected from the store. Now, is the selection of television dependent on the selection of store or not?
Yes.
Once again, is the selection of television dependent on the selection of store or not? Because if you select store A, then the probability of selecting the television will be different. And if you select store B, then the selection of television's probability will be different. So second event is dependent on the first. Okay. Now find the probability that it is an LCD television. So 2 possibilities are there. Either you select store A and then you select LCD television, or you select store and you select LCD television. Okay? So how will you find this? Either you select store A and means, okay, suppose we define 3 events. Event A that you select, event B that you select, and event C that you select LCD. So either you select store A and you select LCD C, or means plus probability that you select store B and means intersection you select LCD C. Did you understand this? Now since the events are dependent, so A intersection C will be PA into P of C slash A. Dependent probabilities formula. Probability that you select A multiplied by probability that you select LCD given that you have selected store A. Same way, how will you find B intersection C? P of B into P of C slash B. Now as I discussed right now, what is the probability of A or B? Half. So P of A 1 by 2. Now tell me within A, what is the probability that you select LCD? 4 by 10. 4C 1 by 10 C 1 4 by 10. What is the probability that you select B? 1 by 2. And within B, what is the probability that you select LCD? 3 by 8. 2 into 2, 2 into 5. 1 by 5. 3 by 16. LCM is 5 into 16, 80. 16 into 1, 16. 3 into 5, 15. 16 plus 15, 31 by 80. Did you understand this portion, everyone? Not clear. I explain it once again. First we have selected store. Then we have selected television. We have not selected LCD, we have selected television. We will find the probability that the television is LCD. So two possibilities are there. First we have selected store, means either you can select store or you can select store B. And then we want that the probability, we want to find the probability that it is LCD. So either you select store A and you get LCD, or you select store B and you get LCD. So P of A intersection C or P of B intersection C. But in the beginning itself I asked you, does the selection of television depend on selection of store or not? So P of A intersection C, P of A into this is dependent. So how will you find this A intersection C? P of A into P of C slash A. Same way, B intersection C, P of B into P of C slash B. Now PA and PB both are half because there are only two stores. Within store A, what is the probability to get LCD 4 by 10? And within store B, what is the probability to get LCD 3 by 8? And then you have to simplify. Did you understand this, everyone? First we'll define three events, then we'll write down. Let event A be the event that store A is selected, let event B be the event that store B is selected, let event C be the event that LCD television is selected. Are you all clear with it? Now, final probability. Thus, the probability that the selected television is LCD is equal to, now show this and show that language also in the beginning, because two possibilities are there. Either you select store A and you get LCD, or you select store B and you get LCD. Shall I proceed further? Raise your hand, are still solving it? Okay, now look at question 2 of section D, be attentive. One number is selected from the natural numbers 1 to 100. Write down U is equal to 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 100. N is equal to 100. Beginning of the chapter itself I told you, dice, coins, children and numbers will always make sample space and solve it. Now, find the probability that the number selected is either A, underline single digit number, mark it as A, underline or. What will you mark for or? Union. In law of addition, first word I made it either or. Then at least will be same is. So or mark it as union, and then perfect square mark it as B. What do we have to find? A union B. First we'll find A and its probability, then we'll find B and its probability, then we'll also find A intersection, be common in the two, and then we'll apply the formula. Write down. Let event A be the event that the number is single digit let event B be the event that the number is perfect square now single digit 1 to 9 So M of A is 9. P of A, M of A upon N, 9 by 100. Any confusion in this? All are clear with it? Now B is a perfect square. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square is 9, 4 square, 16, 5 square, 15. Yes, silence everyone. 6 square, 36, 7 square, 49, 8 square, 64, 9 square, 81, 10 square, 100. These all are perfect squares. M of B equals to 10. P of B, M of B upon N, 10 by 100, 1 by 10. Any confusions? Now, what is common in A and B, A intersection B? 1, 4,
9.
and 9. 1, 4, and 9. So M of A intersection B is equal to 3. P of A intersection B, M of A intersection B upon N, 3 by 100. Is everyone clear with all these probabilities? Raise your hand as still writing up till A intersection B. So final question, madam, does the probability that the selected number is single digit or perfect square, okay, is equal to PA union B, that is PA plus PB minus PA intersection B, PA 9 by 100. Now I told you earlier also, PB, will we take 1 by 10 or 10 by 100? Take 10 by 100 with same denominator. So LCM problem will not arise. PB 10 by 100 minus PC 3 by 100. So LCM is 100 only. Directly 9 plus 10, 19 minus 3, 16 by 100. 4 into 4, 16, 4 into 2500. 4 by 25. Did everyone understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Now question 3. Silence everyone. Question 3. A balanced coin is tossed thrice. So we'll have to make the sample space. Recollect it. First coin, second coin, and third coin. So sample space H H H H H H H H T. Silence. H T H H T T. Then I told you replace the first letter with T. So T H H T H T T T H T T T. N is equal to 8. Understood this, everyone? Anyone who is not clear with it? Now look at the question asked. If and line, mark it as slash. Condition. First two tosses have resulted in tail, and then first two tail, mark it as A. Find the probability that tail appears on the coin in all the three trials, and then tail all the three. Mark it as B. What is asked? B slash A. If first two are tails, means that is a condition that will come in the denominator. And what is the probability we have to find? All the three are tails. That will come in the numerator. So P of P slash A. Like we saw the last one, we'll do. First we'll find A, its probability. B, its probability. And A intersection B. Then apply the formula of B slash A. So write down. Let event A be the event that first two are tails. Let event B be the event that all three are tails. Now, see in the sample space. First two are tails. Do you get these two or not? Where do you find first two are tails? TTH and TTT. M of A, 2. P of A, MA upon N, 2 by 8, 1 by 4. Any doubts with this? Now event B, all three are tails, so only TTT. M of B, 1. P of B, M of B upon N, 1 by 8. We also need A intersection B. Is that entire B or not? What is common in A and B? TTT. So that is also same as PB. One by 8. Now we can apply the formula of B slash A. So, did everyone complete up till A intersection B? Raise your hand who is still writing. Thus the probability that all the three are tails, comma, if first two are tails. Is equal to PP slash A. That will be A intersection B upon PA. So 1 by 8 upon PA, 1 by 4. So 1 by 8 into 4 by 1, 1 by 2. So all are clear with this question third. Now look at the fourth one. If events A, B and C silence are independent events. Underline independent events. So A intersection B, A into B and so on all the intersections. Multiply. And PA equals to PB equals to PC equals to P. Write down PA is also P, PB is also P and P, C is also P. Now find the value of A union B union C in terms of P. Tell me what will be P of A intersection B? P of A into P of B. P into P, P square. Keep writing. Same way, B intersection C. P into P, P square. Even A intersection C. P into P, P square. And even A intersection B intersection C. P into P into P, this will be P, Q. Okay, today itself we did in that rainy day question also, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now we have to find the value of A union B union C in terms of P. So formula is PA plus PB plus PC minus PA intersection B minus PB intersection C minus PA intersection C plus PA intersection B intersection C. Means P plus P plus P. A, B, C all are P. What will be written in A intersection B? P square minus B intersection C also P square minus A intersection C also P square plus A intersection B intersection C PQ. P plus P plus P 3P minus P square minus P square minus P square minus 3P square plus PQ. This is the final answer. You are asked the question, find the value of A union B union C in terms of P. So this is the answer in terms of P. Okay, 3P minus 3P square plus PQ. Did you understand this, everyone? And the final question of the chapter. Let's finish it first. We have done this table kind of question in exercise 1.5. So, first same table will write in the notebook with each and every number. What does it indicate? So, in this way you can write it, be attentive. Class 3 we are going to define as event A. Class 4 we are going to define as event B. Males, male only M. Females F itself. And the total. Here also total. Now can you tell me what is 3600? A intersection M. Do you all remember this? We have done in exercise 1.5. What will be 900? A intersection F. What will be 4500? M of A. Same way. What is 400? B intersection M. What is 1100? B intersection F. And 1500?
M of B.
M of B. 4000? M of M. 2000? M of F. And what is 6000? N. Understood this, everyone? 4 events we have defined. So write that first. Let event A be the event that the employee belongs to class 3. Let event B be the event that employee belongs to class 4. Let event M be the event that employee is male. And let event F be the event that employee is female. Defined everyone? Now first question, and then if marked as slash. The selected employee is male, marked as M. So slash M will come in the denominator condition. Find the probability, and probability that it belongs to class 3, marked as A. So what do we have to find? P of A slash M. Now tell me, what two things will be required for this? A intersection M. See the question. A intersection M. 3600 upon 6000. Got it? What else do we require for this? P of M. See in the question. MM. P of M means MM upon N. 4000 upon 6000. Don't make any cancellations. Now can we apply the formula or not? So if the employee is male, comma, probability that he belongs to class 3 is equal to PA slash M, that is PA intersection M upon PM. 3600 upon 6000 whole upon 4000 upon 6000. So 3600 upon 6000 into 6000 upon 4000. 6000 gets cancelled, zeros get cancelled. 4 into 9, 4 into 10. So 9 by 10. Did you all understand this? And the second one, underline if marked as slash, underline class 3 marked as A, underline probability, and underline male marked as M. Now what is asked? M slash A. Again, what will be the numerator in M slash A? A intersection M we have already obtained. What will be the denominator? A, that we have to find. So first we find PA. MA upon N, so 4500 upon 6000. Now we can apply the formula. So below that, if the employee belongs to class 3, comma, probability that he is a male is equal to T M slash A is equal to P A intersection M upon P A. A intersection M we obtained earlier, 3600 upon 6000, and divide by P A. Now we obtained 4500 upon 6000. So 3600 upon 6000 into 6000 upon 4500. 6000 cancel. 9 into 4, 9 into 5, 4 by 5. Did you understand this? Now, tomorrow we'll start with accounts part 2.